Hi all, welcome to Life School. Today we are talking about how to deal with awkward conversations like a social pro. So let's get started. We've all had it. That one awkward silence at a party, or when someone makes a comment way out of line and you're stuck for words. Today we're exploring how to deal with awkward conversations like a complete pro, without sweating a drop. Rule number 1, don't panic. When things become bizarre, your composed self is your greatest strength. Breathe. Keep body language open. You don't have to fill every silence. Occasionally a pause is potent. Be the thermostat, not the thermometer. You dictate the emotional temperature. A little humor can go a long way. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian. A little light self-deprecation or a clever quip can diffuse the tension. Well, that went awkward quickly. Do we need to hit reset? Occasionally, the best action is to gently acknowledge the awkward moment and then steer the conversation in a safer direction. Anyway, talking about weird moments, did you watch that viral video yesterday? This acknowledges the weirdness without staying on it. If unsure, ask questions. Humans enjoy speaking about themselves, and it releases tension from you. Steer clear of yes or no answers. Instead, attempt, what led you into that profession? Or what's the most random event that occurred in your life last week? Underestimated one right here. Head nod, maintain eye contact, repeat main ideas. When one feels heard, even an unusual conversation flows with ease. If it's still uncomfortable and you genuinely need to bow out, do so with courtesy. Hi, I just met someone I have to say hi to, but it was nice talking to you. There's no need to ghost or pretend to take a phone call. Be courteous and to the point. Uncomfortable moments don't need to be relationship breakers. With some strategy, you can get through them like a social ninja. Like, share, and subscribe if you want additional tips like these. And don't forget, confidence is a skill you develop. Subscribe for more social hacks.